Hi and welcome to my channel, Bob the Toolman, all about tools. Today I'm gonna do a unboxing and review of a Black+Decker BESTE630. That's 30 centimeters or 12-inch streamer with the power command, easy to release the trimmer line, 550 watts with a telescopic handle. So let's take a quick look of this product. It's corded, it's not cordless, yet it's in the same time it's edger besides that. But let's see what we have in the box. Handle, protector, trimmer, and that's about it. So let's see, it's Black+Decker. That's a power command for releasing a string, switch, holder for the cable. We'll go over that later, but let's see what else we have here in the box. Handle, we have to mount it here. Manual, how to put it together, protector with a screw. We need to unscrew this, but we'll put it. Let's put the handle first. Let's see how difficult it is. So there's actually no screws to put the handle. How do we put it? Okay. So this is the locking mechanism for the handle. Push, push, so we can rotate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 positions. Okay, let's see which is most comfortable. Depends on the user, of course. Okay, here it's telescopic handle, very easy to extend the shaft. Just unlock and pull, so you can extend. You want to lock, and that's about it. Once again, it's clearly showed here. Unlock, lock, unlock, collect, and then lock. This is the wheel for the edger function, so you can do edges. But before that, you need to mount the protector. Let's see what's written on the sticker. It's made in China. Black+Decker Europe. You need one Phillips screwdriver take the screw out before we mount. This is the blade that cuts the extra string that it's released from the trimmer head, and it's quite sharp, so it's quite sharp. Okay, so here we have the edge function, like edger, and trimmer. Not so bad. Okay, the other thing that we have to go through is to power up this baby. So this is the holder for the cable, so I need to hold it like that. And before I start, so I can hear the handle, I would like to extend it just a little bit. And I'll plug in, set up the handle in the position more convenient, and let's hear this baby. So we have a nice, I might say, trimmer. It's corded, of course. It's not cordless, but it's quite cheaper, a lot cheaper. This is full automatic, and you can replace the head. So you take it out, put the new spool line, put it back, put the cap back, and that's it. And this is the cutter for the extra line. Overall, not a bad product for the price that's offered. You will see below in the description, you can find the link so you can purchase this product on Amazon, so I can earn a small commission. Thank you for watching, and see you at my next video.